my friends. Today I am with my students. They are learning English language and now they can speak in English very good. So for practice of their English, I would like to ask them question and they have to answer my question with reason. So my question is, what is your favorite place in Tajikistan and why do you like it? I repeat my question. My question is, what is your favorite place in Tajikistan and why do you like it? Yes, please.
Hello. My favorite place is Dushanbe city. It's beautiful and modern. It has many parks. For example, Rudaki Park, Krushi Kabir Park. I like very much them.
Very good. And Sulaiman, what's your favorite place?
My favorite place in Tajikistan is Khujand city because Khujand city has very sunny nature, very sunny weather, and I like swimming in Khairakum Sea.
Good. And you, please?
Hello. My favorite place in Tajikistan is District Rasht because the people are friendly and hospitable. The weather are chilly.
Good. Olim John, what's your favorite place?
Hello, my favorite place in Tajikistan is Kamarov Valley. I like it because it has beautiful nature.
Very good. And you, please? What's your favorite place?
My favorite place, Tajikistan, Laksh district. I was born in Laksh and famous.
Favorite place in Tajikistan is Jalaluddin Balkhi. Jalaluddin Balkhi is very hot in summer. I like some activities, swimming.
Good.
Hello, my favorite place in Tajikistan is Bokhtar city because it's famous city in Tajikistan and it has many fruits, and for example melon, watermelon and other fruits.
Very good. Very good. Do you like English?
Yes.
Yes, I like.
Very nice. Very nice.